Hello, it is a last session of the units and measurement. Okay, if you are not seen, the link is given below. Okay, ಇದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಷನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಿದ್ಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ last two sessions. Okay, units and measurement. Okay, then why the units are necessary. Okay, we discussed about that. Then what is a physical quantity? Physical quantities means what? It is represented by the numerical value and there's a unit. It's called as a physical quantity. Then it has classified into two types. One is a scalar, another one is a vector. Vector has both magnitude and the direction, and the scalar vector both magnitude and the direction, and the scalar has only the magnitude but no direction. Okay, next we discussed about the commonly used system of units. Okay, in the world most commonly used system of the units, MKS system, CGS system, FPS system and SI system. Okay, in this SI system is the most commonly used in everywhere. Okay, it indicates what? Length, mass as well as time. Okay, most common ಆಗಿ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದರಿಂದ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ MKS system, meter is a standard of length, kg is a standard of mass, time is a second. Okay, then CGS system, centimeter, gram as well as second, and FPS system, foot, pound as a second. Okay, in international system of unit we are measuring meter. Meter is a standard of length as well as mass is a kg is a standard of mass as well as time per second. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಂತ್, mass is a mass and time is a physical quantity, and here meter, kg, foot, pounds are all the units. Okay, are all the units. Okay, next we discussed standard international system of unit ಅಂದರೆ SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 7 fundamental units, 2 supplementary units and number of derived units. Okay, fundamental units means unit means it is a unit which do not depends on the other unit. Okay, as we next supplementary units there are two, and derived units. Okay, derived units means what? The units which are derived from these fundamental unit. Okay, means two or more fundamental unit together which causes ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು SI ಸಿಸ್ಟಮನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್, ಡಿರೈವ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ. Okay, what is a physical quantity? As we discussed earlier, which is denoted by the physical quantity which is denoted by a number as well as a unit. Okay, for example, we mass ನೀವು ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, 1 kg. if you went the grocery store to purchase some rice or sugar of 1 kg, what you are representing? The mass. It represents what? Mass. Okay, mass which is represented by the numerical number as well as a unit. Okay, numerical number as well as a unit, then together it is called as a physical quantity. Which type of physical quantity it is? It is a mass. Okay, same way, if you went to purchase some rope, ಒಂದು ದಾರ ಅಥವಾ ರೋಪನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ರೋಪನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಲ್ಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ರೋಪನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಮೆಸರ್ ದ ಲೆಂತ್, GTH, thread you are going to purchase. Okay, there will be considering a length 150 meter, like that it is mentioning. Okay, 150 meter, like that it is mentioning. Okay, here 150 is what? It is a numerical number as well as meter is a unit of length. Okay, together it is called as a physical quantity. Okay, andre length. Okay, next, the number which are representing physical quantity is called as a magnitude. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಅ ನಂಬರ್, magnitude you should call. Okay, for example 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg, you are representing some number right here. Okay, that is called as a, you are representing some number over here, one number here. For example 2 kg, 2 kg, here you are going to represent number here. Okay, it is called as a magnitude. Okay, it is called as a magnitude. Okay, the magnitude of the physical quantities can be determined by the measuring with the predetermined standard. Okay, the magnitude ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, we are going to measure the magnitude with the comparing predetermined standard. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡನ್ನು ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೆಜರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೆಜರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಂತ ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ one word is there. What is that? Measurement. Okay, measuring means what, and what is the standard. Okay, we will be discussing here. Okay, later in further upcoming slide we will be discussing this measuring as well as standard. Okay, next slide. Measurement. Okay, in previous one word has came, that's a measuring means measurement. Okay, measurement means what? Okay, the measurement is nothing but comparing the unknown thing with the predetermined standard. Okay, measurement andre eno, it is nothing but the comparison. Okay, comparison between what? Predetermined standard as well as unknown thing. ಒಂದು unknown thing ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು predetermined standard ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ has given, just look at that diagram. Okay, you went to grocery shop and you want to purchase some sugar. Okay, sugar of what? 2 kg. Okay, quantity means 2 kg, andre it is a physical quantity, means what? Mass. Okay, it represents mass. Okay, here what the shopkeeper will do, shopkeeper will place standard here. Okay, he will place some weights on one of the pan, and another pan he will put on the sugar. Okay, till the level becomes equal. Okay, till the level becomes equal, what he is going to do there, he is going to compare this side as well as this side. Okay, when these sides are becomes equal, becomes straight. Okay, when this side becomes straight, then he will be, this side is equal to this side. Okay, then it is A, it is B, means A is equal to B, then he will be ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ತೂಕದ ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಒಂದು ತಟ್ಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ, ಎರಡು ತೂಕದ ತಟ್ಟೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಟಿಲ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, that is called as a measurement. Usually the measurement is carried out with respect to the datum. Okay, one word is came here, datum. Okay, later we will discuss what is datum. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನವ, ಡೇಟಮನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮೆಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವೇನು ಮೆಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಮೆಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ಮೆಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೇಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ there was one letter which is a datum. Okay, we'll discussing what is datum. Okay, datum is a reference surface from which the measurement can be done. Okay, measurements can be done. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ measure. Okay, from which we can measure. For example, okay, hospital, if you went to the hospital in order to measure the height, what will be is doing, we will be standing on the floor. Okay, and one standard is placed. Okay, on a height meter, height ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೇಲನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಹೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೈಟ್ ಮೀಟರನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ with respect to the standard. Okay, then you are going to your height is an unknown quantity. Your height is an unknown quantity, and you are going to compare your height. You are going to compare your height. Compare your height with the standard. I have already determined standard, predetermined standard. The standard is the same everywhere. Okay, it will not change. Okay, for example, if you are 160 centimeter right now here, if you went to USA, your height will be the same. The standard will not change. Okay, standard will not change. Okay, if you are measured in centimeter. Okay, then what you are done, you are compared. Okay, it is called as a measurement. Okay, on what basis you have done the measurement? You have done the measurement on the basis of what? Floor. Okay, then the floor which acts as a reference. Okay, the floor acts as a reference. Okay, the floor acts as a reference. Okay, the reference, it is called as a datum. Okay, it is called as a datum. Okay, I think you have understood the what is datum. Okay, now moving to the next slides. Okay, datum was already discussed. Datum means what? Datum is a reference. Okay, reference from which we can measure. Okay, measurement can be taken. Okay, it is called as a datum. Okay, datums also classified into three types. Okay, there are three types of commonly used datums are there. One is a line datum. Okay, line datum means what? If you are drawn one line here, okay, I need to draw another line parallel to this. Okay, parallel to this 1 centimeter height. Okay, 1 centimeter height, I need to draw one another line. Okay, then this line acts as a datum. Then this line acts as a datum for this line. Okay, this line. Okay, it is a reference line. Okay, then it is called as a, then this line is called as a line datum. Then this line is called as a line in order to draw the circle. Okay, best example is a circle. Okay, how you are going to draw the circle? First, you will be having, I think you all are aware how to draw the circle. First we will be having point. Okay, one point over there. Okay, one point over there. Then you are ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, you are going to set the dividers. ತ್ರಿಜ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿವೈಡರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, you are going to set the divider over there, and you are going to place the divider in this point. You are going to place the divider in this point, and then you are going to draw the circle, right? Then this point acts as a datum. For what? In order to draw the circle. Okay, circle ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, datum ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it is called as a point datum. Okay, and then it is called as a point datum. Then last one is a edge datum. Edge datum ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. Okay, edge datum, edge or surface datum. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ is you can call it as edge datum as well as surface datum. Okay, another example I will give. Okay, you have one wooden block like this. Okay, I think you might be observed what the carpenter is going to do. Okay, the wood block of 150 height is a 150. Okay, and I want to do mark line. I want to do mark line at the height of 100 from this one end. Okay, what is going to do? 100. Okay, wood carpenter will take this edge as a reference and he will perform the marking with the tri-square. Okay, tri-square and the other tools which he is having. Okay, he is mark the line and he is perform the marking over here and cut along this, and he is going to cut remaining portion. Okay, then this portion is acts as a edge datum. Okay, then portion is act as a edge datum. Okay, I think you all are understand this. Okay, next standard. Okay, one more thing I left, concept standard. Okay, standard means what? The something is that to be set up and established by an authority as a rule for measure any quantity. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ರೂಲನ್ನು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ, ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು USA ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಆ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, then that is called as a standard. Okay, if you are measured 1 meter here, okay, in MKS system, okay, means 1 meter means it is standard in SI as well as MKS system. SI unit allu kuda standard, MKS allu kuda standard. Okay, 1 meter here, and if you went to USA also it is 1 meter, Britain also 1 meter, it will not change. Okay, then it is called as a standard. Okay, 1 kg also same way, 1 kg also. Okay, next last it is a question I have given for you. Please comment the answer. Okay, if you like the session, please thumbs up, and if you want any other information and any other such videos, please comment. Okay, please try to do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.